Welcome back to our channel. Today we're diving into the top 15 Excel formulas you need to know to boost your productivity and make your data management a breeze. Let's get started. Let's kick things off with the sum function. Instead of pulling out your calculator, just type =sum, highlight the range of cells and close it with A. Boom, Excel adds it all up for you. Need a grand total at the bottom of your column? Sum handles it. Want to add up values across different worksheets? Sum can do that too. It's a real workhorse in the world of Excel formulas. Next up, we have average. The syntax is simple. =average. Select your range and close with. Average ignores blank cells, so missing data points won't throw off your calculation. That's one less thing to worry about. Sometimes you just need a quick count of how many cells contain numbers. Type =count, select your range, close with, and you're good to go. It's perfect for inventory management or keeping track of responses in a survey. Count only counts cells with numbers, not text or errors. Kunta is like count's more inclusive sibling. It counts all cells that aren't empty, regardless of whether they contain numbers, text, or even errors. This is really helpful when you're working with data sets that might have missing values. Kunta gives you a complete picture of your data. If is where Excel starts to get really powerful. This formula lets you build logic into your spreadsheets. You give it a condition to check and then tell it what to do if the condition is true or false. For example, you can use if to automatically flag students who are passing or failing based on their grades. The possibilities are endless. VLOOKUP is a lifesaver when you need to find specific information in a large table of data. You provide the value you're looking for, the range where the lookup data is located, and the column number containing the information you want to retrieve. VLOOKUP will then scan the first column of your lookup range for the value you specified. Once it finds a match, it returns the corresponding value from the column you indicated. XLOOKUP works exactly like VLOOKUP, but instead of searching vertically down the first column, it searches horizontally across the first row of your table. This is useful if your data is organized horizontally instead of vertically. Just like with VLOOKUP, you provide the lookup value, the lookup range, and the row number containing the data you want to retrieve. Lookup takes care of the rest. Ever need to combine text from different cells into one cell? That's where concatenate comes in handy. You simply list the cells you want to combine separated by commas. Concatenate will then string them all together into one longer text string. This is super useful for creating custom labels or combining first and last names. Trim is your best friend when it comes to data cleaning. It removes any extra spaces from the beginning, end, or even in the middle of a text string. This is essential for ensuring data consistency and preventing errors when working with text functions. Trim can help you clean up those extra spaces so that the names can be matched correctly. Need to extract a certain number of characters from the beginning of a text string? Left to the rescue. You simply specify the cell containing the text and the number of characters you want to extract. Right is left's counterpart. It extracts a specified number of characters from the end of a text string. This is useful for extracting the last few digits of an ID number or the file extension from a file name. MID gives you even more control over text extraction. It allows you to extract a substring from anywhere within a text string. You specify the cell containing the text, the starting position of the substring, and the number of characters to extract. Now is a simple but powerful function that returns the current date and time. This is useful for timestamping data entry or creating dynamic reports that update automatically. Today is similar to now, but it only returns the current date, not the time. This is useful for calculating age or determining the day of the week. SUMIF allows you to sum values in a range based on a specified condition. For example, you can use SUMIF to calculate the total sales for a particular product or sum expenses for a specific month. And there you have it. Those are the top 15 Excel formulas to enhance your Excel skills. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell for more tips. Thanks for watching, and see you next time.